now we just did tape.
Okay.
And
So how many letters you have left?
Uh,
Oh, you don't have any more. You already finished with all of them?
there's 1, 2, 3.
All right. So let's
But
move.
there's one more.
Let's move to letter what? G. Okay. Cut it off.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it off and then recycle.
Okay. Got it. And then we're gonna match it to the letter
G.
G. Very good.
So fun.
Very fun, I know. Very fun.
Yeah, super fun. Here. Swimming. It's a good video.
Very good.
Yeah. So I got this and then put it here and then I'm gonna glue it. I mean put tape on it.
Very good. Okay, here we have some tape. So you're just gonna have to cut it over here, okay? So cut it on this side right here. Cut it. Cut the tape. Very good.
Fingers.
Wait. Let me prepare a few more. Cut it again.
Yes.
Let's make one more. Very good. We would use glue, but we don't have glue anymore. So we're gonna use tape, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Okay, got it. I think that should be enough. So you can start gluing.
Okay. Thanks. Where is G? This is G.
That's a matching number, but I think you have it upside down. Yes. That's better.
Another G. I know where's G's.
Very good.
Where's a G? There's a G.
Very good. You got it again.
Of course. Send it to Babushka. Send that video to Babushka, okay?
I will, baby, I will. Let's finish the whole thing, okay?
Yes.
How many more you
all
have?
of it. I'm not done yet.
I know. You have how many more to go?
2.
Very good. I think you're gonna have enough tape. You have 3 more pieces.
Oh, there.
I think it's upside down again. Oh no. That looks like number 6. And we need G. Very good. One more.
Last one. I forgot to cut that glue.
Okay.
So it's not going to be too big.
All right, let's do that.
Where does tape go? Oh.
There it is. Very good. Now we're done with letter G.
Now the next one is H.
Very good.